Okay friends, this is the unboxing of my vacuum sealer, food sealer. I had a I bought it on eBay for $38. I got it yesterday. There was a wraparound on the outside, so I took it off. So this is how you're opening it, just to show you what is inside. This is the food vacuum sealer, right? The box. This is the one. There's a wrap around, bubble wrap. And this is a plastic one. It has a plug in here. It's a base. This looking like it also. So this is the base. You have some, I don't know what this one is. This is going inside here. Some bags. They gave complimentary food bags for me to use. And there is one instruction manual, instruction booklet, and this is the main machine. It has something here. I don't know how it opens. I still have to go through this book and then read it. This is what it is. It looks like a good quality item for, let us say, $35. The brand is less HP. less maybe, I don't know. This is what it's looking good. It's made in China. It's American plug. So I just wanted to just share what I bought. That's pretty much it is it. And this is the box. Looks good. Okay, that's it. Just unboxing. I have to see the functionality. They put some different size of bags inside here. How it works, I need to go and check it out. Maybe I'll upload later. I'll upload another video showing how it works. So this is pretty much it. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye.